Hello, I'm John Russell. Today, let's explore one of the laziest sounds in English. Ah. Why do I say it's a lazy sound? There are two reasons. First, to make the ah sound, your lips should be open and relaxed. Ah, ah, ah. Second, your tongue is relaxed and flat on the floor of your mouth, like a lazy person on a couch. Of all the front vowels we have explored in this series, ah has the lowest tongue position. The ah sound is most commonly spelled with the letter A, as in apple. But you will also commonly hear the ah sound in the middle of words. Here's an example. In the 1950s, Dr. Seuss wrote a famous children's book. The title has the middle ah sound twice. The cat in the hat. The cat in the hat. If you are having trouble with the ah sound, try thinking of two words, relaxed and flat. Your lips are relaxed, your tongue is flat. Ah, ah, ah. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.